Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be covering how you guys can change your font on your entire WordPress site. So let's get right into it. Now you can change this very easily using WordPress itself. If you want, you might be able to search for some plugins which might enable you to do multiple things. I'm not sure if you can change the font to a custom font within WordPress itself. However, some plugins might be able to help you with that, but I'll be covering just the native functionality within WordPress itself. So let's get right into it. Now, what you need to do once you're on your dashboard logged into your WordPress admin, go into Appearance and then go into the editor. From here, you'll get into this screen and you're going to go into this left sidebar and you're going to click on styles. The top styles is typography, or the top option is typography. You can browse entire styles, which will change the font as well. But if you want to change just the font, go into typography, and here you can select whichever font you want. So for example, let's say this font, you just change it to that, and as you can see, it has immediately changed. Now, if you want to save it, you can go ahead and click review one change, and as you can see, it changes the global styles as well as it has custom styles checked out, which is typography styles, navigation, post term, pull quote, site blocks, etc. Once you're done, just click save, and once that's done, as you can see, site is updated, and from that point forward, you are pretty much set, and that is pretty much all you need to do. There's nothing else to really do. At this point, as I mentioned, to install custom fonts, you should search for a plugin for that. I really don't have the option since I'm on the free plan, but that's basically it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.